What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats, man, back with another POV. As y'all can see, we're getting straight into it. Just a little, you know what I'm saying? Just a little, I don't know, street POV drive, man, in the world's best sounding scat. You know what I'm saying? That's how I feel about it. But welcome to my vlog. You know what I'm saying? We're recording, dropping videos every day, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You know what I'm saying? And we on the road to 15K, man. Get your boy to 15K the quick way. Get your boy to 15K the quick way. Boy, that car be so jumping. Y'all see what's going on, man. I'm saying y'all see what's going on. I ain't really talking about nothing. But, man, you know what I'm saying? Y'all boys comment down below what kind of videos y'all would like to see, man. We're 5 days away until Christmas, bro. We 5 days away until completing Vlogmas. For me, you know what I'm saying? Gonna stop it on Christmas. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta figure out 5 more videos to do. You know what I'm saying? I just dropped the banger. You know what I'm saying? Well, the video before the last video. The video that's before this one, the video before that one. You know what I'm saying? We dropped the banger, you know what I'm saying? Drifting every turn. Y'all know y'all love those. I love them. It's just been a while since I did them. You know what I'm saying? I get back right. But, you know what I'm saying? We in heavy traffic right now. We in heavy traffic right now, man. But yeah, man, best sounding scat, man. Best sounding scat right here, you feel me? If not the best, but best sounding. Everybody else that makes it their best sounding and spend $5,000 or $3,000 or anything over a band in exhaust work or exhaust in general, which is insane. When you don't gotta do that. Folk do that and don't even race. That be the crazy part. Exhaust is for folks that race, bro. If you buying an ass work of exhaust for no reason and you just wanna be loud, bro, you like, come on, bro. If you want to be loud and don't care about going fast, or you ain't trying to be like faster than what you already is, there's no need for you spending 2 bands or a band on the exhaust, bro. I see, like, you know what I'm saying, a couple hundred. It costs about $100 or a couple hundred just to get like a muffler delete, you know what I'm saying, or resonator delete or something like that. But you doing that, you doing all that extra stuff on a stock car is crazy. Now I understand some folks, it's just different on your forte, but a lot of folks do it and be like, man, I gotta, you know what I'm saying, I gotta get there, I gotta do this. Like, no, bro, you don't. You just wasting money, you know what I mean? You really are wasting money. Cause I done heard cars with headers. I heard scats with headers, without headers, scats with straight pipe, no headers and cats, or vice versa, whatever. I'd be like, bro, your car sound about like mine or not, you know what I'm saying? My car louder than yours, like, you know what I'm saying? No, I'd be like, y'all boy gotta, you know what I'm saying, just know what you want and do your research. I did my research, bro. And I was just experience alone. Cause all my cars, folks don't know that every car on my channel, bro, is catless. I probably never put it in the title like that, but all my cars are catless, bro. My Mustang was catless. My RT was catless. And this car is catless now. You know what I'm saying? Just trying to pop a little bit. But yeah, man. Just a little, you know what I'm saying, street POV drive, man, in the best sounding scat. You know what I'm saying? Extremely loud scat, whatever you want to call it. You know what I'm saying? Look at Buddy. Buddy's staring hard. I ain't trying to zoom in that much. But yeah, Buddy's staring crazy. There you go. Y'all see him? Look at cuz. He probably wasn't looking there. I wasn't trying to look, but he was looking. I think cuz typing up my YouTube. He looking down at the phone. He is. He is. He typing in the YouTube, cuz. That's crazy. Appreciate you, my boy. Hey. His grandma blew the horn, bro, and did like this. She was like, that's crazy. I thought she was blowing the horn because she was mad at me or something. She was like, that's hard. Look at grandma. Grand Dukes giving me the thumbs up, man. You know what I'm saying? She was, you know what I'm saying? She wasn't this shady. You feel me? So, hey, that's okay with me. But yeah, man. Not a little street POV drive. I think I just gained a potential subscriber because I seen y'all seen them, bro, looking back and forth at the phone, and that was my side window right there, bro. You know what I'm saying? So hey, so yeah, man. But anyway, back to what I was saying about the exhaust, like, you know what I'm saying, best sounding scat not in the world, but well, we could say in the world, in my eyes, but best sounding scat in my state, bro. You know what I'm saying? Besides y'all niggas that got hitters, Corsair Extreme, Borla Attack, all that, you know what I'm saying? And then if you in 2023, bro, and you still rocking Flowmasters and Magna Flows on muscle cars, bro, grow up, bro. Like, please grow up. But that was so like 2015, bro, like 16. Them for like, and to be honest, them kind of exhaust or mufflers, bro, that's like for, that's more like for like older cars, old school cars. If you got like, you know what I'm saying, a 3-valve Mustang or like a old school Vet, like a C5, you know what I'm saying, C5, maybe C6, you know what I'm saying, like anything that's like anything that's like under 2015, bro, 2014, 2013, like really older than that. I take that back. Really anything under 2010 and under, definitely. You know what I'm saying? Magna Flow, stuff like that. That kind of fit the old car. I don't know why. It's just because, I don't know. That was the era it was in. You know what I'm saying? So like, I don't know. Not saying like old, but it's just, for me, it's just, that's what I usually see them on, like really old schools, like nigga like Bob Chevy, Monte Carlo, you know what I'm saying, stuff like that. That's really what I see them on. But you know what I'm saying, and trucks, obviously, trucks for sure. But you know what I'm saying, I mean, I don't know. Oh, on the way. Come on, man. Olivia acting like she didn't want to downshift or no. That one I should have held it, but I don't like doing that though. I don't want to downshift too hard all the time. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, Lord. She trying to shoot the flame so bad. But yeah, man. Best sounding scat street POV drive, you know what I'm saying? I might start putting it in my titles. I really am the best sounding scat, bro. I'm gonna start putting it in my title. A lot of folks be like, oh, it sounds like you in a scat hand. Duh, on camera. You know what I'm saying? But listen to a me and Muffin Delete on camera do the same pulls I do and tell me what you hear. You know what I'm saying? Or me and Muffin Delete and Resonant Delete tell me what you hear. You know what I'm saying? Straight pipe tell me what you hear. Nobody, hold on, let me just give y'all a nice little, hold on. Let me just show y'all, boy, right there. Stick 'em. Just a little bit. Y'all gotta just hit me like just cruise and just really play with the car, like, you know what I mean? Like, come on, bro. Olivia, man. Anyway, you know what I'm saying? Just a nice little quick little POV, man. Vlogmas videos dropping every day till Christmas. We got 5 days until Christmas, man. Y'all boy, you know what I'm saying? Go crazy. Y'all boy go crazy, man. But nevertheless, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. Also, I always say not in my video, man, for all my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the mix. You know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up, man. Keep him first in everything you do, man, and build that faith and trust in him. You know what I'm saying? And also, y'all keep chasing your dreams, you feel me? Keep your mind positive as possible. Keep your head up high, man, and just stay hungry. You know what I'm saying? Don't give up, don't quit, keep going, keep doing it. Repetition is better than, you know what I'm saying, not doing anything. So just keep doing that repetition, bro. You will get there. I tell myself that all the time. Sometimes I don't believe it, sometimes I do. But that's not the point. It's the fact that I'm still going. Y'all see I'm still doing their vloggings. You know what I'm saying? And I could be doing anything else. I don't have to be doing this. But I'm doing it because, man, I'm showing y'all I'm hungry. I'm showing God I'm hungry. I'm showing myself I'm hungry. You know what I'm saying? So, with that being said, we're going to keep putting in their work, man. They're going to pay out one way or another. It could pay out the very last video I dropped. That's all it took. You never know, bro. You never know. So, that being said, man, you know what I'm saying? Y'all boys just stay on that grind, stay on them P's and Q's. But, like I also said at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.